Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write pi symbol in Microsoft Excel including the value. So firstly just type P, now select it and in the font search symbol and press enter. So you will see your P is now converted into into pi symbol. Once we find out this symbol font, you need value for this one. So type equal sign, type pi and double click on it. You will see these suggestions. Now exit bracket, so enter close bracket, press enter. So you have this pi value. Here you can add the more up to 15 digits. So this is the way guys you can write pi in Excel including the value. Thanks for watching.